back again. What a heck of a day with the T-Mobile to get that straight away. We went to the T-Mobile store. Didn't have to wait that long. It was like less than 5 minutes, and we went up and we told them what happened. And I said, if we want a new one, we don't want a CPO one. He said, don't worry about it. And he said, all right. But they couldn't take back the old one. We still had to go to UPS. We just came back from UPS. UPS is telling us that the box that the other one is in is too heavy, and we had to pay $2 more. But he let it slide. He said, let it slide because the label that they sent us wouldn't cover the weight of what was had to go back, which was well, you know what I think what happened, since they must have figured out I was going to send back the G4AR back, but in this time we had to send back the G5AR is heavier than the G4AR. I don't know how much heavier because I don't have the receipt. I think I gave it to the GR. But the thing is that so it costs $2 more, and he said he can't ship it in that box because that box is not for that haze. But he let it slide. So T-Mobile. So they were very nice. I said, well, don't you have to change the SIM card in this? He said, no, it's all done already. Oh, really? So it came in this nice little bag here. So back in 2024, the bag was white. Now it's big for 2020. So I didn't open it yet. So this is here it is. See, it's a different box than the CPO one comes in. It tells you the kit box. So it looks like this in the back. Yeah. And it actually says Wi-Fi in the back. I've never seen this before. So this is a different look. This is brand new. But he told me there that they don't give them the mesh 2, but they don't have it. They give mesh 1. But how could you give them mesh 1 when mesh 1 has only 1.1 gigabytes ports? 1 gig ports. And this is Wi-Fi 7. But on this is 1 gigabyte ports. But that mesh 2 has it's Wi-Fi 7. I don't even know. I guess it's the same thing, quad core, inside there. You have to look on the FCC stuff, but it's 2.5 gig ports, so you plug your access points into that. This is also a cell phone booster, so it boosts the cell phone signal. And you're saying, gee, why don't you just go with fiber? Yeah, well, that's what I end up doing. I didn't realize fiber is cheaper now. For 2 gig, it's only 125. That's like another $45. I could do it, but I just don't feel like. Then I would get an extender, and I guess that would save some money someplace. But it gets expensive. So this is the 5G. We got a new tower. Well, it's not a tower, it's a mini tower. New 5G tower. The guy at T-Mobile didn't even know there was one there. They didn't know what to tell the people. It doesn't make no sense. I always know more than these guys know. Oh, wow, that stuff fell down. Okay. So I'm going to pause this. We're going to get this thing set up, and then we go from there. I can actually do it from in here because I got to set up the mesh so my access points working. All the anything that's RAN 2.4 would be seen. Then we have to hack into this to and I can actually open this with the app, which I'll have to get the password from this to get in there. I reset the other one before I left, so if you have to return one, make sure you hit the reset button, completely reset it, and let it reboot up in there. So I'm just officially opening up this box. See what's inside. How does it look from the difference? I should the videos and everything I've done so far in this, they're posted to the members. So, ooh, you got a lot of information. Get a big pamphlet here. Wow. Gateway information. This looks a lot different than what we got before. The other one was just something slapped together. Had nothing to do with what? Nothing. Yeah. Looks like the other one, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay. Oh. They don't have that weird. This says 25-33 week. Different one. Same slots in the bottom. Oh, I need a power supply in this. Well, we'll see if the speeds are really fast. Oh, shoot. Where is the, Aha. See? The other one came with a garbage bag twisty. It was black. This one comes with, a white one. This is the same 60 watt. Yeah, so 60 watt. So it was the right adapter. I can't, oh, well, I could plug it in. Hold on. I don't want to set it from here. But I was curious. They still need a T-Life amp and all that stuff. And I can't. Oh, yeah, I won't be able to do it on this. Because I got to use the phone to do the T-Life amp to make sure it's set up right. But anyway, let's have to let you know. So, let you know how it works. And I'm not going to splice videos either. All right, let's get this thing plugged in. Ah, that one snapped in. The other one didn't snap in. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to plug it in, put it in the power conditioner, okay, and see how it goes. I'll let you know how it goes, okay? Yeah, I'll get another video. What the heck? Can set up 2 videos. All right. Okay. All right. I'll check you back later. Oh, if you found this interesting, hit that subscribe button, okay? If you want to join and be a member, you can. Hit the join button, okay? See exclusive videos. We have 6 exclusive videos. I believe. Let me double check. Yeah. Yeah, I set up 1, 2, 3. I had another one. I had to remove it because I had too much sensitive stuff. I still have it. I could put it back up there if I wanted to. But that's for members. Okay. All right. That's it. Let's go.